SMJ Bypass Butchery ine-page lapha ku-Facebook ithi ikhipha i-official statement. Angazi indaba iqalephi, mina ngiyithola isila sekuneyi-statement kune-birthday celebration kusho ukuthi bamqashile uMafikizolo. Yabona i-statement lesi sibe silandela ngani ngepost. I-post ithi we even have the recordings of him being so rude when we were talking to him over the phone. Also try to add kule mali ayifunayo. Basho kanjalo kwaba SMJ Bypass Butchery. Ithini indaba? Official statement about Mafikizolo. We booked uMafikizolo 2 months ago and we paid the deposit. Few weeks back we asked for a promo video from him to promote our event, but he kept giving us excuses until he finally confessed to us recently that he won't be able to come to SMG Bypass because he has taken too many gigs and in Eastern Cape he only has one gig, which is us. Therefore he can't come. He then sent the refund 3 days before the event, which is on the 1st of October 2025. This is very unprofessional and disrespectful to us and to our customers. We really apologize for the convenience, especially for people who are excited to come and see uMafikizolo perform. Unfortunately, it is out of our control, but the event is still on. Do expect good vibes, music, and experience. Sharing and performing live alongside Mthatha's best DJs and musicians. Bhalile statement ukuthi na hey nobe ibhukhile insizwa ezinyangeni eziwu2 ezedlule uMafikizolo bamcebisa le promo video kodwa alokho banikeza ke izaba ebeka izaba ngapha nangapha bathi kugcina kodwa ke batshela ukuthi no inkinga sengithathe amagig amaningi ama-event amaningi kakhulu manje ngapha eStern Cape iyodwa i-event angeke ngikwazi ukuza kodwa ubathumelile imali yabo back ensukwini eziwu3 ngaphambi kuba i-event iqala wabathumelela ke 3 days before event wase yakhuluma ke lo Bhayoda lokhu akuyona indlela yokuyiphatha futhi kunanendelelo kubona nakubathengi baxoxa kakhulu ngalesi simo senzakalile abantu ababejabula kakhulu kuzobona abantu Mafikizolo ezowaperforma ngebhadi ke lokhu bengaphezulu kwamandla abo kodwa umcimbi usaqhubeka abantu abalindele nje ukujabula kumnandi music omnandi abantu bazobona abantu abanjengoshenga bedlala bukhoma bencintisana no DJ abaphezulu abathandwayo kuphi base Mthatha isho kanjalo ke indaba kodwa sibone ukuthi akukho lesingakuthola ke mhlambeni okunye ma comment lapha bafowethu nanga uvuyo lapha silwana uthi wenze kahle Mafikizolo ngoba andiyazi lento enincane kangaka kwimvumo se-KZN sibe zikhona imvumo eStern Cape zithandwa futhi wezwa lapha uMusa Pisi khangwayo wathi Eastern Cape artist as entertain bro xa unebusiness obook artist ezithandwa ngabantu baqhubeka bakhuluma baphikisana ke nabanye-ke baveza okwabo right into kumele beyazi abahleli bemicimbi ama-promoters, event organizer nanoma ubani izinto ziyenzeka emculweni akuhlezi kuhamba kahle and kunendlela vele ekwenza ngakhona so asazi emhlabeni ke imininingwane ephelele ukuthi ke inkinga kube yini kahle kahle kodwa ke udaba phela silithola seluhamba phezulu esingasazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni insizwa uMafikizolo uyashisa kakhulu kulezi insuku ingoma yakhe if bembukhe 2 months ago it means bambukhe ingakaphumi le ngoma le so ithema iphuma le ngoma ke profile yakhe brand yakhe yavela establish kukhulu kaMafikizolo so i-demand yasiba too much so uma kunezinto engakhulumekanga kahle maybe kodwa lapho kube nephuthanyana ke mhlawumbe okumele lilungiseke because umsebenzi kumele uhloniphe kumele kube nendlela mhlawumbe yokubhekana nezinto ukudile nezinto kodwa ngithanda ngoba imali yabo uyibuyiselina if umuntu angasakwazi ukuthi umsebenzi awenze into ukuthi akubuyisele imali Khuzana ukwenzile Mthandeni ukwenzile nabanye bakwenzile uma nje u-spin-off ukusabuyisela imali ama-refund amathikithi ubengekeze ubani uMafikizolo uma kungaphezulu amandla akhe so i-event ayiqhubeke ngokuzayo bephinde futhi besebenzisane esikufuna ukubona ukuthi besebenzisane nangokuzayo because khona kade bezojabula impela ukumbona Mafikizolo eperforma kodwa ke akuyona into engako because uyibuyisile imali and it means eside lakhe uziprotectile waprotecta ne-event ukuthi ana kungabi nokudonsisana so mhlawumbe angazi ukuthi yena ukukhala okukhulu ikuphi ngoba konke okulidela ukuthi before kufika i-event akwenzakalanga ne-promo video akayenzanga nemali uyibuyisile it means vele ngoba ugcina asezanga bese singekho isidingo se-promo bona-ke basho ukuthi na abakwa SMJ Bypass Butchers besho ubona ukuthi yena hayi umculo uthize abasakazanga ukuza kodwa-ke abanye bacubezwa bekhona ngiyabona bafuna ukufaka izinto ukuthi hayi manje inedelela lokhu sekuphathi kwenu asazi kodwa kodwa-ke ngiyathi nayilungisa loo nto le kungabe bikho umuntu ofila ngathi udelelekile ndlela thizeni nonke nibe right abanye-ke abahlala hey imvumo Eastern Cape eKZN wara hey bahlala beyikhulumela abantu kuyasengiswana emculweni umculo akunandaba ukuthi ukuphi uhlala kuyiphi indaba abantu bengathatha umculo engathi into yabona asendaweni eyi-1 and oMafikizolo yiyo abantu ababhukhayo lapha abasuke bekhona yibo event organizer ababonayo ukuthi no asibize lo mculo loyo mhlawumbe lapha abantu basuke bemlandela umculo thize bemphusha ku-TikTok ingoma yakhe itrend ebese ama-event organizer bebona ukuthi hayi asisondeze ubani manje indawo uthi imvumo yase-Eastern Cape yaseKZN ezinto lezo lawo ma-language lawo awukhulisa umculo ngoba bebangaka nje abantu okhasipha besuka le ko-North West be-perform all over South Africa kuthiwa manje hhayi umuntu yabona leyo nkulumo leyo zobuhlanga nje zama-province angisazi ziyophela e-South Africa azokhulisa umculo kodwa inkinga-ke umaskandi ingxaki lapho umaskandi hhayi abawufuni kule yonke indawo nangesikhathi kuhlukanisa unyaka kwaba nenkinga asikho-ke lapho sithembe ukuthi kodwa igcine ilungile le ndaba uMafikizolo nabase-SMJ Bypass Butchers balungisile-ke indaba ukuthi angafiki akuqali ukuthi angafiki usazokwenzeka angafiki nakwezinye iy'ndawo ayikho-ke into etheni ngalokho into ehlale yenzeka le bekuyilokho-ke nje i-statement besisho njalo.